When a scaffold has completed the build process, the scaffold may require a handover. Locate the scaffold awaiting handover and tap the pin. Tap Awaiting Handover, and then tap Handover Scaffold. This will launch the handover screen. You can complete the handover in any order. We will start with the handover questions. These can be set up in the global settings. Some questions can be set up as mandatory. These will have a red X next to the question. Some questions will have a default answer, like this question here. Both of these can be configured in the global settings page. Tap the question, then select the answer. Then answer the rest of the questions as necessary. Select the handover result, either pass or fail. You can set up a maximum distance the user performing the handover can be from the scaffold, otherwise a warning icon will be displayed on the handover. This can be configured in the global settings. You will also need to enable your device's GPS. Add a comment for the handover. This is mandatory if the handover failed. Add an image to the handover by tapping within this space here and selecting to take a photo or select one from your library. Provide the handover representative and provide a signature. Repeat this for the handover recipient. Tap the tick icon. ScaffoldIQ will save all the details, including the dates, signatures, and the distance from the scaffold. You can see the updated scaffold on the map.